Hello, scientists. This is Dr. Matthews. I am here to explain something very important in this course, and that is using citations in scientific works, and more specifically, lab reports. So, who uses citations in scientific works? Well, all scientists are people discovering or learning and wanting to be taken seriously in the scientific field. What is citations? Citations is basically you giving credit to what someone already knows or figured out about what you're studying. In this course, when you complete a lab, this is not your first time seeing the material or learning about the information you are completing a lab on. Usually, when you complete a lab, that it is to reinforce something that you have already learned. And so, because of that, you need to give credit to others to say that, hey, this is not my idea. I didn't come up with this. So you will use citations in scientific works that include discussion topics. It can include lab reports or arguments that you have in your everyday life. It will make you seem more credible. Now, how would you do this? Well, in there are many different ways that you can do this. In the lab report, you are expected to complete this in the conclusion in step 3. After you have restated your claim and accepted or rejected your hypothesis, you then in step 2 provide evidence from your experiment on why you accepted or rejected your hypothesis. However, in part 3 in the reasoning, you have to explain why you accepted or rejected your hypothesis and cite information that you already knew from previous authors or lessons that corroborate your results. So, how would this look? You could either formally cite your sources by using MLA or APA, whichever one you choose. Usually, high schools use MLA. Or in this course, it is as simple as saying in Unit 1, Lesson 3, Instruction, Video, Slide number 4, it states blah, 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 blah. That would be okay as well. Again, why are we doing this? For academic integrity, to reinforce that you did not come up with this information, so you are giving credit to what other people have already researched, found out, and understood. It is important that we as scientists be ethical with our academic integrity and everything that we do. This is what differentiates scientists from fake news, pseudoscience, or opinions. Again, I want you to be successful. And in order to be successful, you have to, again, include citations in part 3 of your conclusions from here on out. If you do not, you will not be able to get full credit for your conclusion. After you cite your work appropriately, you can then go on to do number 4 and 5 in the conclusion, which is stating what you learned and relate it to a real life situation, discuss possible errors, and suggest ways of improvement. Hopefully, this has helped you understand where you should include your citations when writing in scientific assignments. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.